In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for stocks to invest in 2024 and years onwards, right? So even if you have no past experience, after watching this video, you will be able to find and actually you will be able to search for stocks to invest in. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And first step that we have on the list, go ahead and search finviz.com/screener or so. But then we just go ahead or click the screener, and this is where all the sauce is. First thing that we're gonna touch is the price, right? Actually, not. It's gonna be under 20 bucks. So you click on the price, set it to under 20 bucks. Then we have 4,000 left. Obviously, want to only be stocks only, so industry is gonna be always stocks only. Then we have 3,500 left. Country only USA. It is what it is. Now you can just leave it like that, but always want to just trade or search for stocks like this. Country always needs to be USA. Next thing, I want to just search for performance. Now, I don't really care about that much on performance, but obviously it needs to be, for example, let's say the performance for the day could be a little bit down. So we could just go ahead and search. Today should be down like maybe 5% or so down. Then the actually, let's just say today's down like this, right? This is the right way. Then what I search for is performance number two, which is going to be today down 5%. Okay, so let's go like that. Now, next thing that I look for is, as I said, I never said it, but the average true range, okay, has to be over 0.25 or so. So average true range is going to be here. Like that, we're left with only 86. And lastly, is there anything else that I'm touching upon? Relatively no, but like let me just go ahead and just show you some of the stocks that I'm actually looking at right now, okay? These are stocks that I like are very pretty much very bullish. All this pretty much means we have six filters, only stocks, only USA. The average true range is a measure of stocks volatility. Okay, so how volatile it is. So it seems like it's a little bit volatile for the day, although it's down. Okay, for the day that we're making the video on, and all is under $20, right? Ultimately, what I would also pretty much do is maybe search for kind of the higher time frame technicals, which are going to be um, 50-day high low. Okay, so where's the moving average? Okay, here. So the price should be above here. We're going to be left with only 28. Again, so this is all the seven filters that I have pretty much. Now what I do is just go ahead and search AZTR. Now AZTR, we have it here. Most of the times you're going to see just some breaks like this. Okay, this is what I like to see. We have been going down and then we broke structure bullish. So this is the great opportunity right now to get into if my rules are met. This is what I say. I've been using this strategy for like 15,000 videos that I've done on my YouTube channel. And this 15,000 videos, I mean, only in 2023, which is not have 15,000 videos, obviously, but I've yielded thousands of wins with this strategy that I've been using. Okay, trying to again document everything for you guys, and I don't have anything to sell this, so pretty much just my genuine opinion, and maybe this is going to help you. Now let's see the next example. Let's search B off BFRG. Boom, right? You see, previously it was kind of going down. Now we start to see some huge increases here. So it started to break higher. Now this is pretty much at the high, so probably never kind of take your trade is whatsoever. But if it ever comes into here and just give me some rules, again, we're playing kind of the long game here, and it's just pretty much just going into it and just trying to find some stocks that have actually started to shift. Like for example, let's see CALC. You go ahead and search CALC and then use the strategy, right? Boom, this thing has started shifting. Love to see it. If it comes somewhere near here, you know what like where I'm at, right? So yeah, just giving you 2 cents. If you found any value, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.